The profit loss analysis available in SMS Advanced allows the generation of a profit loss dataset to be created based on expense and income entries using the financial tracking functionality. This result is strictly based on spatial data and is intended to show profit loss trends spatially. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a profit loss analysis. Before using the profit loss analysis, ensure that all financial information is entered for the year and operations that you would like to be included in the analysis. For more information on how to use financial entries, you can find the financial entries tutorial in the card at the top. After you have your financial information entered, click on the Analysis Wizard icon in the main toolbar. The Select Analysis Type to Run dialog will now open. On the left side of the dialog, you will select Profit Loss Analysis from the menu. Then select Run Selected Analysis for single or multiple fields. In this example, we are going to run it for a single field. Next, select the year, grower, farm, and field you would like to run the analysis on. At the bottom, there are additional settings. There are two commonly used options on this dialog. First, we have Use these operations as a substitute for as-applied data for product purchase expenses option, which is used in the event that you do not have as-applied data for applied products. This allows you to select a different operation to use as a substitute for a product, such as a crop plan or prescription, instead of as-applied data. You are able to select multiple operations to use as a substitute. Next, you have the Tile Products option. This is used if you want to include expenses entered for tile plans or installed tile dataset for the same field operation year that you are generating. With your data filtered and desired options checked, click Next. Here, you will see the data that will be used to generate the analysis. Click Next. In the Grid Options dialog, you can adjust the grid size used to average and display data on the map created in this analysis. 15 by 15 is a little small for those fields, so let's change it to 30 by 30 foot. Select the appropriate harvest type for the break-even cost. The field used for this example is corn, so we will leave grain harvest as the selected harvest type. Click Finish. Now that the profit loss analysis is complete, the analysis editor will open. Here on the left, you have the option to rename the dataset. Click Save. SMS will auto-select grower, farm, field, and year. Depending on your conviction, you may want to change the year to the year that the data was selected to create the analysis, but you are free to choose any year that you would like to use. A product must be selected to save this operation. Common practice is to select the crop type that was in the field for the year the analysis was run. Click Accept. A profit loss analysis has now been added to your management tree. To view the map, go to the management tree, open the grower, farm, field, and year that you had saved the operation, and select Financial Analysis. Create a new map. You will now see your profit loss analysis in the mapping window. With the map created, we are now able to view the different attributes created. You have now learned how to create a profit loss analysis using the SMS Advanced software. For additional information about this tool, be sure to check out agleader.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.